The power of AI sales agents in 5 ways. You can use it, AnyBiz. Today, we explore how AI-powered sales agents can revolutionize your sales process and drive superior results. AI sales agents automate sales tasks like lead qualification, personalized outreach, and follow-ups. They engage prospects with natural conversations, handle queries, and provide data-driven sales insights, operating 24/7 for improved efficiency. AI sales agents differ from traditional tools by operating autonomously, adapting in real time, offering deep personalization, learning from interactions, and managing complex tasks like closing deals, while traditional tools require manual oversight and updates. AI agents use technologies like NLP, machine learning, big data, and cloud computing to automate sales tasks. They engage prospects, learn from data, and integrate with other systems, offering advanced, personalized interactions for improved sales performance. AI sales agents drive profitability by reducing costs, improving efficiency, and enhancing lead conversion. Their 24/7 availability, scalability, and data-driven insights boost performance, making them a cost-effective solution for long-term growth. AI is reshaping sales by automating tasks like lead generation, personalized outreach, follow-ups, and data analysis. It efficiently identifies potential leads, customizes communication at scale, and maintains consistent engagement. While humans focus on complex negotiations and relationship building, AI handles routine tasks, improving overall sales efficiency. AI sales agents increase engagement by 50 to 70% and achieve 10 to 20% conversion rates. Examples include a dealership's 33% appointment booking rate, BMW's 30% boost in social media engagement, and a retailer's improved marketing spend efficiency with AI. AI sales agents can revolutionize your company in 5 key areas. 1. Lead generation. AI efficiently sorts data to identify high-potential leads, saving time for human teams. 2. Personalized emails. AI crafts tailored email campaigns based on individual prospect data. 3. Social media. AI engages with prospects and analyzes social interactions to find leads. 4. Customer support. AI handles routine queries and tasks, freeing up human agents for complex issues. 5. Sales forecasting. AI provides accurate sales predictions by analyzing historical data and current trends. AI sales agents face challenges such as ensuring data privacy, integrating with current CRM systems, overcoming sales team resistance, balancing efficiency with human empathy, and addressing ethical concerns about transparency and manipulation. AnyBiz is an AI platform that revolutionizes B2B lead generation. It uses AI agents for 24/7 personalized outreach, automates email management, engages across channels, and integrates with CRM systems, offering comprehensive analytics for tracking performance and boosting brand visibility. In our blog, we share a step-by-step guide to implementing AnyBiz. Check it out by following the link below the video. AI sales agents enhance lead generation and sales efficiency, offering personalized outreach and data-driven insights. While challenges exist, the blend of AI and human touch is key to future success. Thanks for tuning in. Discover AnyBiz.io and subscribe for updates on our latest tools and insights.